Do you want a realistic laboratory experience in life sciences and translational medicine? The Immuno-Oncology Summer School is an interdisciplinary laboratory course designed to give you insight in the life of a biomedical researcher. During a 2-week period, you will have the opportunity to conduct authentic and real-world research in the innovative field of cancer immunology in the Biomedicine Student Research Hub, a newly equipped laboratory in the heart of the University Medical Center Utrecht in the Netherlands. Here, you will experience a crash course of the scientific world by being guided through every stage of the research cycle. You will start by investigating the current literature and writing a proposal. Next, you will conduct your own hands-on research and get familiar with different research methods and techniques under the guidance of experts. Finally, presenting and discussing your findings. Working in small interdisciplinary groups gives you the chance to approach a complex medical problem from multiple perspectives and allows you to develop academic skills. Do not forget to take the time to explore the beautiful city of Utrecht and indulge in the Dutch culture by visiting the easy-to-reach city center. Take this unique opportunity to jumpstart your scientific career and create unforgettable memories at the Immuno-Oncology Summer School.